2 a.m. London session. Uh, what we got? We got Pound Chef about to hop in. Um, Seeing the setup I like. I know we got this gap. I know we have this gap here. I know we have this gap here, but I believe that we are going to drop. I could wait on one more 15-minute close, but the fact that we rejected from here, see, I was expecting at least for us to grab this liquidity here. We couldn't grab that, came back below. And the fact that we stand below this EMA and we reject it like that, I just really like that. So I'm gonna hop in this trade right now. Take a little bit off. Yeah. All right, we in there like Buddha. Yep. So yeah, that's what I seen for this. Let's see how I go. Definitely, if we break past this, we good. But just how we've been reacting lately, I do like this. Like I said, I know we got this gap here, man. But shit, man, I think we can still drop. Think we can still drop. The way we was reacting, you see all these dojis here. Yeah, man, and overall downtrend. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, peace. Well, yeah. All right, quick update. It's looking good. We up 340 on my 25K account, and on my 5K we are up $84. We basically back at break even. But man, I think we got in at a great area, and I think we could. I think we can. I think we can keep this going. So this is a trend trade. I'm going with the trend. I like it. I can't really, whatever happens at this point, because this is just a pretty decent trade. Like I said, yes, we do have this gap in the market, but how we were moving, how shelf trades were, how other shelf instruments were trading, they were also moving. They're moving. So we just gonna go with this momentum. We did react pretty nicely from this area, and now you're seeing we pushing down. So I like for us to continue and get to this liquidity over here. So that's all. I mean, EU kind of took out without us. EU kind of just did its thing. I mean, now we could retest also, so that could be something to look out for as well. But I'm satisfied with my G Chef trade, going with the trend. Got in at a nice area, so yeah. And we could see some retesting on the daily. Maybe tomorrow we may retest, but that could be also another opportunity to get into it. So yeah, that's all I got right now, and I give y'all some more updates. All right, what's up, man? 950 New York session. We getting a nice retest. We getting a pretty strong retest. Looking at the daily though, it looks good, but 4 hours still look good because we made a lower low, but we is getting some nice reaction, especially after the sweep of this liquidity here. That looks amazing, right? That looks amazing, which is, if I'm looking for a sale right now, it's not the best for me, right? Even on the hour, you see on the hour, we came down here, hour engulfed with volume. Like that, that's my setup right there. But we still at a major level. And right now, I'm in a risk-free trade. Collect some partials, and Hey, I move my stop to break even. So, um, hey, this is a risk free trade. So it is what it is. My stop loss like here. I mean, yeah, my stop loss like here. So, you know, yeah. So let's see what we do. We may go to that supply zone, and then that's why I really didn't want to move my stop loss, but um, I'm okay with it. It is what it is. Um, yeah, it is what it is. Other than that, if we were to break above this, retest it, then go, um, that could be a play also. But if we break this, I may just sit back on my hands until like Thursday London session, so I can really see what this market is doing. But right now, if we can get a nice reaction, if we can get some nice bearish reaction, um, then that'd be nice. And then I can probably find another position. So I want to see some sort of golfing, especially since we in this area on a 15 minute at least. The next hour candle, it got to show me some sort of that buyers that sellers are in the building and they're taking over. I'm gonna need some confirmation. So if this 15 minute can engulf that, if the 15 minute can engulf this, then yeah, this I might put another position in. Let's look at EU. Let's look at EU. EU is going down as well now. We got to see, because it look like it could possibly still go up, but I think we're definitely going to grab this. If we get back above here after grabbing this, then that could be an opportunity as well. But personally, I probably just wait to see if we really break this level here. All right, we back, man. It's 10:10. It's crazy. We back, and man, I'm trying to figure out what's going on, because I see this nice setup for EU, man. Nice setup. Because today might just be a retest day. Like we could retest, and the fact that, like, bro, the fact that we there's really like a double top here, right? And how we just reacting at this zone right now, I really like this reaction. We go to the hour. This is pretty nice right here, man. This is pretty nice. The fact that we came back up into here, engulfed here, and that volume just spiked up, that's pretty significant. Let's see what happens if we get deeper. And from a 15-minute standpoint, it kind of looked good for a nice little retest today. Wednesdays are usually them days. Sometimes we get really retest, and just how we reacting from this zone. I mean, that's pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? Still in this G-Chef trade, and it's looking like it's gonna retest a little higher. Still gonna stay in it. Risk-free trade, but how we reacting now, this looks pretty good. Especially just it reacting here. This looked pretty good. At least for the day, this looked pretty good for the day. I mean, this is just a nice reaction, bro. So for me, I'm okay. It's cool. I done got what I need from this market. I done got my percentage. I'm in a risk-free trade. It is what it is at this point. So I'm just let it play out. But if we break above here, I like to see if we fill up this gap, then come back low. But really, I had to wait till we get back up to 75.61, because then I can really get in a move. I'm down there in sensory overload right now. See how we react now. So that's now we really, like, if we close like this, now we really gotta wait. You feel me? Yeah. If it's reacting like that, we really have to wait now. We really have to wait. We got 2 minutes till this close, so it's probably best if I wait though, because we did just make a higher high, so we could just do this and then So it's probably best if I probably just wait. If that EU trade don't look the way I want it to, and yeah, I probably just wait because I just wait. I just wait. I just had to catch it. Yeah, I had to catch it here, bro. I just had to wait. Because if we truly going down, we're gonna get back down here, and I had to just wait. I just had to, you feel me? I just had to wait until this setup up here. If not, if we get above, I still have to wait because we could just clear this gap, and then yeah, I still have to wait until we at least get back up in there. So I mean, whatever happens, happens. It is what it is. What are you doing, man? Yeah. Yeah, I'll just wait then, I guess. Trades are starting to look better. I mean, and then I could, if it get back above here, take it up, but chill out, brother. Chill out. Like, you know what I'm saying? The money gonna come to you, man. It's gonna come running to your arms, man. But you can't be thirsty over the bitch, man. You can't be thirsty over it, bro. You can't be thirsty over her, bro. Like, come on, man. Like, if she like you, she like you. If she don't, she don't. Fuck her. But yeah, I'll let y'all know. I'll give y'all an update. That's about it. What's up? 10:07 a.m. New York session. Oh man. Okay, so let's talk about the trades I'm in, right? And what I'm looking at right now, right? So I'm gonna talk about what I'm looking at since we already on since we already on silver. So I'm looking at this silver for a break and retest. If we can get a nice retest from this area like we doing, staying above this level, I'll probably be looking on the smaller time frames to see if we get any bullish reactions. If we get that, then I'm most likely going to take this move. I'm in this G-Shelf trade. As you can see, I'm down negative $66, 67 now. I did get into this trade prematurely. See, now I did get in before, I got in before 10 a.m. and I usually don't do that. But we was looking we was looking good, right? So to explain what I seen, let's start from the 4 hour, right? So yesterday we got this move, wind up hitting us out, break even here. We still made some money, but we hit break even. And so we came back below this level, and looking at the hour now, right? And overall, this is a bearish. Overall, bro. You look daily. Overall, this is a bearish market. Now, you can say, well, we was making higher highs and lower highs here. Yeah. I do see that, but I think that's more momentum. To see all to this left that we have been going down. That's I believe that's more significant than just these moves now, which is also playing a part right now. You can tell that we're kind of in a consolidation stage, but still overall really downtrend. Still overall from a weekly standpoint, we still in a downtrend. So seeing this on this 4 hours, seeing how we was reacting before this candle was here. So before this candle was here, we reacted pretty well. And then seeing on the hour, as we had this head and shoulder in this area, especially this fair value gap, seeing this head and shoulder in this area, and then when we retest here, had that hour engulfing, I'm like, dude, that's nice. You know what I mean? And maybe it was a look greed, but I thought I was just being smart, because if we was to do this and then break past here, I was just gonna add another position, and I think that was gonna be that was in my mind, but the market has other plans. But the silver, we reacting pretty nicely. I'm probably going. If we engulf this, right? We engulf this. I'm taking it on this 5 minute. I don't care. I'm taking it. I'm taking it, and I'm taking it to. I think we can get to 100. So I'm taking it to 100. I don't care, bro. Cause this a pretty, bro. If we do this, a pretty good setup. But we gonna wait on this 5 minute. We gonna wait on this 5 minutes, and yeah, you gonna see. And you know, this is a day trade. You feel me? I would say, uh, yeah, but it's cool. The fact that we acting like this is cool. You get a 5 hour engulfing, then I'll take it. If not, we'll just have to sit and wait and just be okay with being a G chef right now. Got into the trade, man. Don't know if this stupid or not, man. This looked pretty stupid, you know. I'm risking a little bit above 1% on my other account, on my 25K, and I chilled on my 5K, just because it wouldn't fit into my risk parameters, you know. But we are retesting a lot more than I thought we would on this silver. We back, and I don't have good news. Well, we still in our silver trade, right? I mean, we up only $23 right now. It's paused right now. But this G Chef trade, this G Chef hit me out. I don't even know what's going on here, right? I was just in probably about 10 minutes ago, right? It literally just hit me out. Now we go to this here. We don't see that reaction. Now, it's time to kind of get over that, right? Okay, I lost that. Cool. Should I get into this trade? Should I get back into? Is it done for me to do this? Because I was in this trade, right? It followed my setup, right? And I wasn't gonna get out if it didn't stop me out. It just knocked me out. It just stopped me out, right? So I'm thinking about getting into this trade. I want to wait until 3 a.m. But like I said, I would have been in this trade anyway. I don't know about this fund. I would have to wait probably an hour. I don't know, cause how Funded Pips, like, bro, these are two price points. Like, these are 2 price points. What is it doing? Right? Whatever. But we still in this gold trade. So I mean silver trade. So I guess I'll wait. I just chill with silver. We'll chill out for a second, and then London session, or like I don't know, maybe even Asian session. I may just look for another position to get into here. I really want to get in now. Like, I ain't gonna lie to you, I really want to get in now. But like, where would I enter at? Like, look at it. Like, bro, come on, man. Like, we dropping now. We're dropping. Think about hopping back in here, cause it's a good setup. It's a good setup. Still had this hour in golf and boom, came back rejecting from that. Now, okay, what would I be getting in for? Is it for greed, or you know? But it's not really for greed, because I just would have been in this trade anyway, right? I mean, we do got this liquidity above that, so all right, what's going on, man? 9:44, New York session, Friday. Um, let's give an update. Silver, silver is going good. We up 206 right now. I took partials. I took 141. So right now I'm at break even. So right now, hey, silver trade looking good right now. Silver trade looking good. I took partials probably I took partials like last night, just making sure I get my bag, making sure I grab my bag. Was gonna enter him G Chef again. I'm not too sure on that. I don't know. I mean, this looked like a pretty good entry. But with Euro Pound, I got more of a better entry in like what I would really like to see. I like this head and shoulder here. I like this head and shoulder here. I like how we playing out here. We retest this, the shoulder, this next shoulder here, and then I'm really waiting on this hour to close. Cause if it engulfs this, then we can if it engulf that with some volume too, look like we gonna engulf it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it, and I'm taking it to. I'd like for us to grab this liquidity here, and at least get back down into this part here, where we got a lot of where we got major liquidity up as well. So I'm just trying to get in where the money go. I got mines over this other shoulder, man. Which I still could get stopped out, but it's cool. It's whatever. I just say that because this daily could come back and retest this, but so we'll see. And it is Friday, so we may not even make that move. I'm looking for it now. Like I may just hold it over the weekend or just close it before the market's in. So I'll let y'all know, man. I'll let y'all know. All right, so we did get into the EJ. Euro Pound. We did get into Euro Pound. We're getting a pretty decent reaction. We on a 4 hour here. See, we got pretty decent action. Like I said, this Friday, so we may not even really do too much, but I don't mind holding this trade low key over the weekend. Even my silver trade, I kind of don't mind that. Yo, let's go. Sunday. All right, man. This is just a recap, and this is going to discuss the things I'm looking at next week. So yeah, let's get into it. Recap. Let's start with the recap. So recap. If we go to my 25K, I just lost $96.16. I wound up getting out of G Chef. I wound up getting out of that trade. So I kind of allowed that trade to do what it do. But here's all here's everything that we done this last week. $331. We lost $96 today, but $331. What we looking for this week? So this week, looking at G Chef, I definitely would like to see some sort of retest to this level. If we can get a retest to this level, then I like to see the continuation here for this G Chef. Yeah, if we can get it some sort of continuation, retest to this level, and then seeing how we react within this hour for a value gap too. I wouldn't be mad at that. Still, Euro Pound still look good. Yeah, it still looks all right. For me, really now, I would have to. I don't know. I don't know what I would have to see. Really, I'll just let that play out, and if it shows me something I like, then I'll take it. I don't know. Maybe some sort of engulfing here. Maybe another. We do have this hour engulfing, so that is very significant. I don't know. I just see how we look around 3 a.m. EU took off, did its thing. Maybe we can get a retest or something or break. I don't know. It's rallying right now, so I don't know about that. And then U Chef, same thing. If we can get a retest back up into this level, I would love that. But I'm willing to be patient, more patient this week, and I'm willing to really wait on some trades and wait on these opportunities because they always gonna be there. So that's about it for this week. All right, y'all.